Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show you how to enable proximity and manage it. Let's get started. So firstly, we have to open our BlueOS app, and now we have to go to the settings by clicking this gear icon over there. After that we have to go to the player and now click proximity. As you can see, we can disable or enable proximity and manage it by proximity timeout. We can enable 2 seconds or 10 seconds and slide it over there. We have to click OK. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Like and subscribe for the videos, and goodbye.